In this video, you'll learn how to use the Concatenate Text processor to group two values into a single field in order to create a hierarchical filter. This dataset contains the list of public schools in the city of Salinas. For now, levels and grades are each located in two different fields. If someone wanted to search for the schools of elementary level and teaching K6 grade, they would have to use two different filters. Grades are actually a subcategory of levels. Thus, it will be more helpful for users to first filter by level and then use the hierarchical filter functionality to select an associated grade. In order to create this filter, we need to have the two pieces of information in a single column. To fix the structure of the data, let's use the Concatenate Text processor. The two values that we want to combine can be found in the grades and level name columns. The left value will be the name of the level, as it is the value that should be filtered first, and the right value will be the second value, grades. The separator will be a slash to ensure that there is a division that indicates the two values. Let's name the field to be created. We now have a level grade field containing both the level and the grade name. We can now configure this new field, set it as a facet and hierarchical. The separator needed is the slash we typed earlier. Let's explore the data. If a school level is selected, we now have the possibility to select the grades that are associated with it.